So this is the Churchill AKKAR pump action in 12 gauge. It comes with the shotgun, the sling, and a manual. It's 32 inches long with a 12-inch barrel, weighs about 5 pounds. It holds 4 rounds in the magazine. It has a front sight post with a groove on the receiver. The safety, action lock, and carrier are all similar in position and function to a Remington 870. The stock, trigger guard, and forend are the only plastic or synthetic parts that are on the gun, with a rubber recoil pad. It has sling mounts on the front at the end of the magazine tube and on the rear on the stock. This is the sling that it comes with. When compared to a standard size shotgun like this Maverick 88 by Mossberg, it's about 6 inches shorter and 1.5 pounds lighter. The plastic also feels considerably cheaper and lighter than the plastic on the Mossberg. Another thing I noticed right away is that the action on this sounds a lot different than a regular Mossberg or a Remington 870. It just doesn't sound as good. Overall, I'd say that the construction of it is a tiny bit cheap, but not bad for the money. It functions well. I only had one malfunction out of several hundred rounds, and I'm not sure what caused that, but the elevator just didn't, the carrier didn't lift one of the shells up. It just got stuck here. That was the only issue that I had. I actually got that on video too. But other than that, it functions fine. It looks cool. It's short and lightweight, and for the price, I would say it's worth it. Definitely a good, cheap little shotgun. Flinched.